After links getting ignored or waste blocked, flagged or just not converting, you are just not alone. But today I exploring the affiliate links cloaking secrets no one talking about and showing the exact step-by-step strategy I use to promote my commissions and boost click by over the 312%. Not theory, I just tested twice. Let's go. A few years ago, I was promoting a high ticket sales offer. I was just getting good traffic, but my conversions were dropping. Why? My links were getting flagged, my browsers blocked by Facebook and worse. People don't trust the long ugly tracking URLs. So I dragged the dripper, I tested multiple tools and found out cloaking was not just a fancy trick, it was essential. In fact, according to a 2024 study by a Win, 67% of affiliate marketers who cloaked links properly reported a higher click-through rate and fewer links bans. Let's break it down quickly. Affiliate links cloaking is the process of turning long, ugly affiliate links into short, branded, clean links. Prevent links hijacking, improve trust, and CTR bypass platform link blocks like on Facebook, TikTok, and email. Track clicks better. Here's the truth. Ugly links are conversion killers. Any split test I ran my blog in 2023 in the cloak version of the same affiliate link got a 41% higher CTR compared to the raw one. Why? People think it's a spam, email tools and ad platforms may flag it. Some users just don't trust long URLs. It's all about perception and trust leads to clicks. So how do you cloak links the right way? There are three main methods I personally use depending on the platforms. Method 1. WordPress plus Pretty Links best for beginners. Install Pretty Links plugin 3. Go to plugins, add new, search Pretty Links, create a new links. Why I love it? It's easy, trackers, clicks and keeps things organized. Methods 2. Redirect using STXs or PHP. Use a redirect and embed it naturally. Use this if you want to complete control over redirection and tracking. Method 3. Tools like Bitly or TinyURL for non-website users. Great for quick campaigns and UTM tracking, which for branding. Free versions show the Bitly domain, which is not always trustworthy. Pro tips. Always cloak links using your own domain if possible. According to a link trust, branded links outperform generic shorteners by 34% in the trust and click-through rates. Let me show you the real example. Product is a great response affiliate campaign. Emails funnel traffic 4,230 clicks with the raw links. CTR equal 1.9% with the cloak. Branded URL CTR equals 6.1%. That's a 201% increase in engagement just by clocking and no more flagged emails or Facebook disproposals. Here's why people mess up. Cloaking a spammy or blackhead products don't do it not disclosing its affiliate link using 302 redirects. Always use 301 for SEO. FTC requires disclosure, so even if you cloak your link, always be transparent. That's in an affiliate links. So there you go. Clocking affiliate links is not just about looking clean. It's about building trust, improving conversions, protect your income. If you're serious about affiliate marketing, don't skip this step. Start by clocking 3 of your most important links today. Track the results. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe and drop a comment below. What tools do you use to cloak your affiliate links? Let's share ideas. Grab my affiliate toolkit below. It's my favorite link, cloaking, plugins, email tools and full blog post. Everything in on descriptions.